Hi, welcome to Hymus Family Favorites. Today I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to make clotted cream. First, you're going to get some cream, usually from your local dairy. You want a cream that is not ultra pasteurized. Pasteurized is fine. This is just from our local creamery, and it's just 1 quart of cream. I'm going to pour it into this 9x9 pan. From here, I like to just put this in the oven overnight. It needs to bake for 12 hours at 180 degrees. After it's baked for 12 hours in the oven, we're going to pull it out, let it cool to room temperature. We'll cover it with saran wrap, and then we'll stick it in the refrigerator until it's completely chilled. So our clotted cream has been chilling in the refrigerator for about 24 hours now, and it's ready to go to its final stages. So I'm going to take off our saran wrap, and the amazing thing about this is what you're going to do is just peel up 1 corner of this. And you can see the underside. That is the clotted cream right there. It's amazing. And now that that corner's up, it's going to be really easy just to drain off all of this whey that you get from it. Now I have a biscuit recipe that I put out. And for the liquid for the biscuit recipe, it's a buttermilk biscuit recipe, but using this clotted cream whey in it is amazing. The biscuits turn out amazing. Okay. Now we've drained off all the liquid, and that is what it looks like. And now we're just going to go ahead and put that in a storage container for just whenever we want. This crusty top is delicious as is, but you can also mix it in if you want it to look more creamy and smooth. I do wish this was a common condiment here in the US, but since it's pretty easy to make at home, I guess it's okay. Maybe it'll start to catch on. And there we go. Our clotted cream. Hope you enjoy. For more delicious recipes, check out our website at hymusfamilyfavorites.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss another recipe.